I'd like to share my experience during our field trip. The field trip was a truly meaningful experience because it allowed me to connect what I've learned in the classroom with real-world applications. Visiting institutions like High-Tech and TESDA gave me the chance to see advanced technologies, robotics, and industrial-level training equipment up close. One of the most memorable moments was when we toured high-tech robotics and mechatronics labs. I was amazed to see how students' projects were already contributing to innovation. Another highlight was meeting the competitors at TISDA who were preparing for the ASEAN World Skills Competition. Their dedication inspired me to be more focused on my skills. Aside from the technical knowledge, the trip also shaped my perspective by teaching me adaptability, teamwork, and professionalism. Overall, the trip not only strengthened my technical knowledge but also broadened my mindset um, about the opportunities and challenges ahead as an engineering student. Thank you.